Hello everyone, it's Hanny. Today I'm going to make Cat Hands Mixed Medium Morsels Snack Bag Book, page number 1. Yes! I made a little book from a piece of cardstock and 3 bags. My book is a little bit bigger than Cat Hands book, because, well, the bags were not, well, were this size, so I had to make, if I wanted to make a book with that, or with those. But I bought some hairbands, but they are too small for that book. So what I did was I took a piece of a t-shirt and I just cut a piece off the sleeve. No, it wasn't a t-shirt, it was a legging, I think. It was a legging, and I just cut a piece off and stretched it, and then you have this. Well, it's not as sturdy as a hairband, but it works. And I ordered some elastic band, round band, the same as hairbands, but then longer. And when it arrives I will replace this, I think. I didn't do the front of the cover yet, the front and the inside. So I'm going to start with page number 1 with the prompt of January, and that's circles. So I'm going to make it on here. The first thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to put some gesso on it, or not. No, I'm just going to take a stencil with kind of circles on it, on it, and I take my distress vintage photo, and I just want to see if that works. Just like so. Yes, you can see that. Oh. I thought maybe it's not dark enough, but it is. So a few here and a few here. And 1 or 2 here. I think that's enough. So I have a few circles. I have a piece of cardstock. I did spray some coffee on it, and I have a punch, and I will punch a circle. Yeah, I think I like that. And I think I'm going to make a sort of collage with pieces of paper and lace and whatever stuff I have. So I gathered some stuff I want to use. I think I want to use. I had a piece of doily left, and I cut out a circle, and I have these little circles I'm going to use. I think I have this flower made from old book pages. Well, it's round too, I'm going to use some fabric, I think, and some yarn, this one or this one, I'm not sure yet. And I'm going to make some kind of collage. I have some paper and lace. That's around 2. So I'm going to make a collage. The first thing I'm going to do is gluing down this piece of this doily, and I'm going to glue that with I think I'm going to use a glue stick for that. And I have to be a bit careful because it's a very thin doily, and I'm going to use the whole piece. Like so. Well, where is my circle? Here is my circle. I'm going to color the edges with vintage photo. So that's a circle. I like this piece of fabric. It's a little trim. Yeah, I think I'm going to use a piece of that. I'm not sure how yet. Just glue a piece on. Fray it a bit, and I have fabric glue. I don't know if it has a good and a wrong side. I think they are both equal. Yes, I'm going to glue that on, like so, I think. Like so. I want to use those little circles, or a few less maybe. Or this one. And a piece of yarn. Which one? I like this piece. Or this piece. No, I like the other piece. not sure how. Maybe like so. I'll use this one. No, this one. Ah. And I wanted to use those little circles. Maybe a piece of lace. Well, I'm going to glue this on just in the middle, so I can tuck something under if I want to. It's a bit clogged. So I'm going to glue that in the middle, like so. Now I'm going to glue the little tiny doily on it. Where is my flower? The little flower on it. Yeah. Like so. And those little circles where shall I put them? There, under, something like that. Don't know if I'm going to use the lace. No, I don't think so. I think this is enough. I have the little doily, I have those. And this piece of yarn. I'm not sure what to do. No, I'm not going to use that. No yarn this time, I guess. Maybe I could make a circle with it, but I don't think I like that. No, that's too much. I think it's quite nice this way. Maybe a few tiny circles. Just random on the page. Maybe another one. there, and there and there, something like that. I like this one there. And this one there. And this one there. Sort of triangle. Well, I like it this way. Maybe some washi tape. I will search for some washi tape. No washi tape. I was looking for washi tape with circles on it and purple. Oh, well, I don't have that. What I'm going to do now is color the edges of the paper bag with purple. That was wilted violet of Ranger. So, well, I think I'm going to leave it this way. I could doodle something around it, but I think it's okay this way. So, this is my circles in my bag snack book. Thank you for watching. Bye.